Hello, welcome to Integrated Learning Strategies. My name is Elaine. We're excited to have Tara with us today, who's an occupational therapist from Yum's TheraPlay, and she'll be demonstrating another midline crossing activity, and we are calling this one the helicopter, and she's going to show you why.
Okay, helicopter is going to start out this way, and you're going to bring your arms to the side. You're going to twist your body and come and touch your hand to your foot. You're going to want to make sure that your arms are almost parallel with your legs as you come down and touch. Okay, if you don't see the arms parallel with legs, you're probably not doing it, and they're doing more of this, and that's not true crossing of the midline like this.
So you're kind of doing a rotational activity.
We're getting a great trunk rotation in here. You'll see that you get a good stretch on the back, and you're working on great bilateral coordination skills here.
And how many times would you suggest that they do these?
About 10 each leg, each side.
Okay, you have to watch them so they don't do the cheat thing, huh? Okay, thanks and have a good time.